garlic, shallots, tomato, mussels, and pasta. Quick, easy, and delicious, this dish is ready in a matter of minutes and is guaranteed to impress. To begin, hot pan, olive oil. Once there's a little bit of color, add the tomato. Cook for about 30 seconds, and now we're going to add some of the mussel juice. This is full of flavor. We're going to let this reduce. Pasta in. Once the sauce has reduced and the pasta is ready, we're going to add our mussels. Add some fresh herbs, add your pasta, and we're going to cook for 1 more minute. We don't want to overcook the pasta, but we want it to absorb some of that sauce. Put some of the mussels on the bottom, tongs ladle, twist the pasta into a nice shape like this. Arrange the rest of the garnish as nicely as possible. Some more tomato, some more mussels, some more fresh herbs. And we're going to finish with a few drops of nice olive oil. Some beautiful ingredients, pasta, that's all we need. Delicious. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Happy cooking!